Welcome to Moon Maiden Meditation, where we focus on connecting with nature's rhythms guided by the moon. We believe that the moon's calming presence can help us find our balance. We're here to explore this together, blending ancient moon wisdom with insights that speak to us today. Our journey dives into the moon's magical cycle, and we begin by exploring the archetype of the triple goddess. These stories and cycles aren't just old tales. They're keys that unlock our spiritual growth and help us understand the universe's great beauty. So, let's start this adventure, discovering the secrets of the moon and how its timeless energy can light up our lives. The celestial dance of the moon. The moon's journey from new moon to full moon and back is a story that's been told in the sky every night for millennia. This cycle isn't just beautiful to watch, it shapes our world, from guiding sailors and farmers to influencing the very rhythm of life itself. Ancient people looked up in awe at the moon, building massive structures aligned with its phases and basing their calendars on its cycle. They saw the moon as a powerful presence that could help crops grow and bring communities together for celebrations. It's a tradition that continues today, with the moon still playing a big part in many cultures and practices around the world, reminding us of the universal experience of nature's cycles. As the moon grows each month, we're encouraged to set goals and chase our dreams. When it shines fully, we celebrate our achievements, taking the time to appreciate how far we've come. And as it fades, it's a cue for us to let go of things that hold us back, preparing us for a fresh start. The moon's rhythm mirrors our lives, teaching us the beauty of change and the importance of moving forward. By keeping in step with the moon, we can find a balance in life, reflecting and growing with each phase. The moon cycle is a guide for personal growth, offering us a way to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and courage. The triple goddess archetype. In the rich tapestry of lunar mythology, we encounter the triple goddess, an archetype embodying the divine feminine's power and wisdom. This timeless figure represents the essential stages of life through her aspects as the maiden, the mother, and the matriarch, each phase aligning with the moon cycle, from waxing to full to waning. The maiden. First, we meet the maiden, who is associated with the waxing moon. She symbolizes youth, new beginnings, and the joy of discovery. Her energy inspires us to embark on new ventures with enthusiasm and boundless curiosity. The maiden's phase is a time for personal growth, exploration, and the kindling of the inner fire that motivates our journey. The mother. As the moon reaches its full brilliance, we embrace the mother, the embodiment of fertility, creativity, and nurturing. Her phase represents the zenith of power, abundance, and the nurturing of our endeavors. The mother's love is unconditional, fostering the growth of ideas, relationships, and the nurturing of self and others. This aspect teaches us about compassion, love, and the strength found in vulnerability. The matriarch. In the waning moon, we honor the matriarch, Previously known as the Hag, but more rightfully acknowledged for her wisdom, guidance, and the culmination of life's experiences. The Matriarch phase signifies reflection, wisdom, and the sharing of knowledge gained through a well-lived life. She guides us to understand the deeper mysteries, embracing change as an integral part of existence and celebrating the cycle of life and rebirth. Together, these aspects of the triple goddess mirror the lunar cycle, guiding us through life's ever-turning wheel. In honoring the Maiden, Mother, and Matriarch, we align ourselves with the natural world, embracing each phase of our lives as a reflection of the moon's eternal cycle. This journey with the triple goddess invites us to see the beauty in each stage of life, understanding that, like the moon, we too are ever-changing, ever-growing, and infinitely wise. This profound connection with the triple goddess archetype enriches our spiritual path, offering a framework through which we can navigate the complexities of life with grace and strength. By exploring the triple goddess and her alignment with the lunar cycle, we find not just a mythic parallel, but a reflection of our own life's journey. The Maiden, Mother, and Matriarch phases are more than spiritual or feminine milestones. They are universal experiences, each carrying deep significance in the cycle of personal growth and transformation that all people navigate through their lives. The Maiden phase. This stage is where life begins its journey. It's a time of discovery, learning, and adventure. In our youth, just like the Maiden, we're filled with dreams, ambitions, and the inherent belief that anything is possible. This phase represents our formative years, where we lay the foundations of our future selves through education, relationships, and early career choices. It's a time for making mistakes, exploring, and gathering the experiences that will shape our journey forward. The Mother phase. As we transition into full adulthood, we enter the Mother phase. This isn't limited to parenthood in the literal sense, but encompasses the creation and nurturing of all life brings: careers, relationships, art, and personal projects. It's a period of life where responsibility, care, and fostering growth, whether in others or in our ventures, becomes the focus. The Mother phase is characterized by stability, fulfillment, and the sometimes challenging balance between giving and receiving love and care. The Matriarch phase. The Matriarch phase is the culmination of wisdom and experience. It is not one to be feared, as suggested by the Hag archetype. It's a reflective period where life slows down and the focus shifts inward. This stage is about introspection, sharing knowledge, and preparing for the transitions that lie ahead. The Matriarch symbolizes the passing of the torch to younger generations and the acceptance of life's impermanence. It's a powerful time for mentorship, for legacy building, and for embracing the changes and wisdom that come with aging. By embracing the lessons and energies of each phase, we align ourselves more closely with the natural world and its cycles. The triple goddess and the lunar cycle teach us that every stage of life has its unique beauty and purpose. They remind us to honor our personal growth, cherish our achievements, and always look forward to the wisdom that comes with age. As we reflect on these universal stages of life, mirrored by the phases of the moon, we're invited to see our journey through a lens of cyclical growth and renewal. This perspective offers a reassuring reminder that life, with all its changes and phases, is a beautiful, ever-evolving cycle echoing the eternal rhythm of the cosmos. As we draw our exploration of the triple goddess to a close, we're reminded of the powerful connection between the lunar cycle and our own cycles of growth and transformation. Just as the moon waxes and wanes in the sky, so do we move through the stages of Maiden, Mother, and Matriarch, each phase of our lives reflecting the beauty and impermanence of the universe. This journey with the moon and the triple goddess invites us to view our lives through a cosmic lens, seeing ourselves as part of a larger, ever-changing pattern. It encourages us to embrace each moment, each phase with grace and gratitude, knowing that with every cycle, we are offered opportunities for renewal and deeper understanding. Diving into the story of the triple goddess was merely the beginning of what we're excited to share. Ahead of us is an engaging exploration of practices that align us with the lunar cycles, including meditation and manifestation, along with a journey into the rich lunar-aligned traditions from around the globe. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. If the moon's graceful dance has ignited a spark within you, we invite you to dive deeper with us. Subscribe, share, and like this video to spread the beauty of the lunar cycle further, helping others discover the power of aligning with the natural rhythms of life for personal growth and enlightenment. Let's continue this journey together. Visit us at moonmaidenmeditation.com and follow Moon Maiden Meditation on Instagram for more insights, tips, and community stories to illuminate the path to clarity, understanding, and the harmony of the cosmic rhythm. Until our paths cross again, may the moon's soft glow light your way to greater self-awareness and transformation. Keep your heart open to the endless possibilities of growth and embrace the cycles of renewal the universe lays before us. Illuminate your journey with the light of self-improvement and find balance in life's natural ebb and flow, guided by lunar brilliance.